What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to apply for Texas unemployment benefits. So I'm going to put the link in the description below, and it's going to take you to this page. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to click on sign up for user ID. This is just all of this is just for the user ID. Put your first, last name, any random ID you want, password, and those security questions. After that, you're going to put next. But from here, I cannot go next, but I have screenshots. So after you create your user ID, you're going to have to put in your social. Then you put yes, you are applying. Put yes, you are applying for unemployment today. You check this little box indicating everything's correct. And on this section, they only ask questions about military, I believe, and about the government. And this one right here, if you have worked in any other state between 2017, 2018, from October to September, or if you filed in the past 12 months for unemployment, simple things like that. Also on this section, they're going to have an extra option that's going to be, I think it's going to say like COVID-19 or coronavirus. You put that. And here's when you actually get started. Your name, first time you worked, last day you worked. You authorize it. Here put your employer's information. If you're self-employed, you can apply. And for employer name, you put self-employed. It's that simple. You put the city, go next. Then you create a PIN number, anything you could remember. And then this is up to you if you want on a TWC debit card or direct deposit to your bank. And if you put for your bank, here you put the routing number, account number, and it shows you where to get that. And if you don't have a check, you could always call your bank. And here says this is just if you want like an email or mailed letters. And here you just review and submit. Over here, there's gonna be some information that it didn't show, but it just asks like for your race, background, sex, education, things like that. You just fill that up. But after that, you're pretty much done. All you do is check this box, put your password, and submit the application. Shouldn't take more than 30-20 minutes. And after you finish this, you're gonna have to go and sign up for work in Texas. They're gonna require you to apply, I believe, at least once a week in order for you to get your benefits. But since there's delay, it's gonna take about, I'll say, about a month for them to process your unemployment, because it's almost impossible right now to call them. But yeah, that's basically it. Alright guys, if you have any questions, leave a comment. Also like and subscribe. Thank you.